Bula, hi, I'm Eva. My husband and I are the directors of the Sounds of the Nations Fiji. I'm here to invite you to the Sounds of the Nations Conference 2018, which will be happening here in Lotoka on the 18th of June. Come and experience 4 days of learning and training on prophetic worship, prophetic art, and songwriting. Registration is $70. That includes your morning tea and your notes. For more information, please call us on the number below, and we invite you to come. Please bring along your friends and your worship teams. Come and be a part of Sounds of the Nations Conference 2018.